Hello everyone, once again thank you for coming to my channel, following, subscribing. I'm just going to give you all a quick tour of my Jon Boat that I use for fishing. It is a 1230 Polarcraft aluminum Jon Boat. I got the boat from my stepdad and took it and done a lot of modifications to it. I took and built a new custom made trailer for it, and everything on it's about custom made, honestly. Up front we got a Garmin fish finder with a cup holder and all that, and here we got a live well box keeping our catch, keeping everything nice and fresh. Got a Minn Kota 45-pound trolling motor where we can cruise around, get to where we need to get to. And here we have a compartment for storage. Got a little TP. You never know what happens on the lake. Battery. Got all my fuse blocks and everything in there. Access. So that's party up front. And we got a control panel here. Got a battery disconnect, LED light switch here. I got different auxiliary switches here for bilge pump, navigation lights, you name it, we got it. Got a onboard 12-volt charging plug. Got onboard USB charging plugs for phones, cameras, radio, battery plugs, whatever we need to charge. Got an onboard charger here to charge the battery. In the back we got more cup holders, little tackle net, holding my sunglasses and phone. And then here's just a dry compartment for knickknacks, storage, more like a junk box. Out back we got a bilge pump. I got a plug in here for whenever I remove my gas engine and put on the my big trolling motor whenever I go to electric lakes. But got this new Mercury 5-horse, and it gets me around the lake. That's all we need to do. But if you will, also check out 1230 John Rod. I had a pleasure of meeting with Brett Cummings from Decked Out Jon Boats. He done a full video of my boat also. But this is it, guys.